camera tutorial, please comment from Revilios. So this is our V1 Pro Smart Glasses and asking si Sir ng tutorial on how to use the camera function. Just to be clear, walang camera yung mismong shades or sunglasses. Ang meron lang function for the camera is yung shutter. So number 1, kailangan buksan mo muna yung Bluetooth ng cellphone mo and i-connect mo itong V1 Pro Smart Glasses natin. And how to turn on? You just have to click both sides. So yung dalawang sides na yan is magkaiba. Kailangan dalawa mo rin siya i-charge. Hindi lang pwede yung isa i-charge mo tapos dalawa naman i-charge. It has to be 2. So dapat kapag nag-charge ka, sabay na. And ang charger nito is pang dalawahan din. So sabay talaga yan. Possible na yung left lang ang gumagana, possible yung right lang gumagana. In this case, so naka-open na siya. You just have to click this side. Meron siyang sensor dito para mag-open. Once it's blinking, you can connect it sa Bluetooth and you can wear it. So palit lang natin. So once nakabit mo na, as per instructions, may Chinese and may English. So you just have to touch or yung sensor ng 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, magka-capture na siya. And mind you, you have to open your camera first para gumana yung function na yon. So hindi pwedeng basta magtatap ka na lang tapos magkiklik na siya. Kailangan may phone kang ready. Kapag click mo siya 3 times, masasensor niya, tsaka siya mag-photo. So tara, try natin. I-connect ko lang. So the pairing name is V1 Pro. You have to pair it sa phone mo. And now it's paired. And may nagsabi dito na sa speaker na the phone is connected. So open your camera. So once you open your camera, you just have to press 3 times. So mapupunta siya dito sa gallery mo. Upon checking, upon experimenting this V1 Pro, kahit isa lang, basta tama yung location ng pag-touch mo, mag-picture siya. Yan, nag-picture na. That's how you use your camera function for the V1 Pro Smart Glasses.